Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Monday morning, it is the 6th day of March, 61 degrees as I make this at 4 o'clock in the morning, so no jacket on this morning here. Now, we have a storm system on the way, so I will have the latest for you on timing. When does this thing arrive tomorrow, and how much rainfall, and will it be severe? And as we look ahead towards late week and into the weekend, things get a little murky on the forecast. A fast flow, and the models are not agreeing on when the disturbances will actually be here. I'll do my best to pin it down for you, and we'll look at the next 16 days. Are there any March surprises for us?
On the big map, we see the main storm system hasn't even come together yet out to the west of us in the Plain States, but it will, and there could be a severe weather outbreak in the Plain States today. We are mostly dry during the daytime hours, a warmer day, but maybe a few showers popping up tonight as the system moves east. So I've got a 20% chance of showers in tonight, mainly late tonight. Partly sunny today, high in the mid-70s. Tonight's low 57. A little breezy, southeast winds 11 to 16 miles per hour today. Tomorrow, Storm Prediction Center has a marginal risk all the way to the Alabama state line. Back in Mississippi, Louisiana, and Arkansas, we'll watch to see if they change their mind on that. Here is where the front should be 6 p.m. tomorrow evening. The front moving in through northwest Alabama, some thunderstorms along the front, moving through tomorrow night, and then by Wednesday morning, the front makes it down to Dothan, and then the weather improves during the daytime hours on Wednesday. Expected rainfall, not excessive. It's got like 1.1 inches around Montgomery, 1.3 inches out to the west, closer to the Mississippi line. So not excessive rainfall. Thursday should be a nice day in between as we wait for a series of disturbances that will apparently drift through over the next few days. Spotty showers possible Friday. Yeah, I added a small rain chance Friday and Friday evening. Saturday, we're going to have to mention at least the possibility of some showers, especially later on in the day as a frontal system approaches. And it's got the front. This is the GFS. It has the front going through South Alabama on Sunday. Not a severe weather producer, but there's going to be a series of these. And the European shows that well. You see the blue bars on the bottom? It shows the storm system and the rain Tuesday and Tuesday night. It shows another disturbance Friday night into Saturday. It shows another disturbance on Sunday. There will be a series of these, and the timing will change on these. What about temperatures? Well, on the European, we can look out 10 days, and we see that the European is indicating the coolest day would be around March 15th, with temperatures in the 50s during the day and 30s at night. Now, that's the European global model, but if you look at the GFS out 16 days, it shows some variations in the morning lows, but afternoon highs are generally in the 70s. It doesn't show any prolific cooling anywhere around. So are we done with freezes? Well, the average date of the last freeze is actually tomorrow, based on years of records. Last year, the last freeze was on February 27th. The latest we've ever had a freeze was April 13th, 1940. So it's getting late in the ball game. So tomorrow, 70% chance of showers and storms daytime, 90% chance tomorrow night. Sunshine returning on Wednesday with high temperatures in the upper 60s. And then back to the 70s on Thursday, 20% chance of showers Friday, 76, and then 77 on Saturday with some spotty showers. This is the weekend we spring forward. We set the clock forward 1 hour at 2 a.m. on Sunday morning officially. Download our weather app, obviously. Some active times ahead. You want to stay on top of the weather and allow push notifications for watches and warnings so we can alert you when there's a warning for your area. Get that on your phone today, will you?
So there you go. You're up to date now. We'll have another video for you tomorrow morning. It's usually online before 5 o'clock, just a little, usually quarter till is when it gets online. I hope you have a great day today. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1, where we have a good time. I hope you join us. Also on Bama Country, your forecast across the dial. When you're out and about, you'll hear my forecast twice an hour across 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. And again, as I mentioned, another video tomorrow morning. There'll be blog posts as needed. Have a great Monday. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.